past year is my first one as a coach for the first Tech Challenge robotics team that was established in Waverly, Iowa. And our rookie team just finished up an amazing season at Super Regionals. They went all the way up to the level right before Worlds, and they had a wonderful meet, and their season has ended, but it has been such a wonderful journey, and I really appreciate the opportunity to work with the younger students and help them understand and appreciate what their possibilities are as far as STEM goes. So about 2 months ago, we had some students that were able to come from the team, most of the team, and some of their parents, and make a trip to campus and spend a lot of time with different faculty, both in our department and in the College of Engineering. So we had students and parents meeting with folks from material science engineering, from electrical and computer engineering, from mechanical engineering, and really enjoying their experience and opportunities to see different laboratories, to hear about the different kinds of research that are happening in the college these days, and just to get a sense for what their future might hold. One of the things that is really important to our department is outreach, and because of that, it's highly encouraged, and I appreciate that. I think it's wonderful that we can give back to the world, give proactively and help those younger folks understand and learn what they can be doing in just a few short years.